Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80070BC9 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting for problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script here and I will be sharing this script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. So I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the profile for Windows Update. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then finally it will reset WinSock, and then it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.